यहाँहरू हुनुहुन्छ, you all are standing in a bus stop right now. धेरै बसहरू छन् अगाडि, कोही ब्याङ्कर बस, कोही डक्टर बस, कोही इन्जिनियर बस, कोही सोशल सर्भिस बस, कोही धर्मको बस, कोही के बस, कुन बस चढ्ने त भनेर यहाँहरू अलिकति अकमक्क परेर उभिराख्नु भएको छ। आजको दिन यहाँहरूले लगानी केमा गर्ने भन्दाखेरि जो आयो त्यही गरौँ भन्ने जस्तो लाग्छ, तर समय दिनुहोस्, पुरा दिन सुन्नुहोस्। हरेक व्यक्ति जो यहाँ आउनुहुन्छ उहाँहरूले एउटा गजबको जीवन कथाको बारेमा कुरा गर्नुहुन्छ। त्यो जीवन कथा सुन्दाखेरि म पनि यही बाटोमा लागु कि जस्तो लाग्छ, मलाई पनि त्यस्तै लाग्छ। तर यो सबै सुनिसकेपछि when you go home today, you sit down, listen to everything that has been said, but then close your eyes and look inside you. किनभने कुन बस चढ्ने भन्ने अनिल शाहले होस्, चन्द्रजीले होस्, अनुराधाजीले होस्, गुरुजीले होस्, हामी सबैले भनेको कुराले त्यो लैलैमा नलाग्नुहोस्, आफ्नो साथीको लैलैमा नलाग्नुहोस्, आफ्नो बुवा मुवाको लैलैमा नलाग्नुहोस्, आफू भित्र झाँकेर हेर्नुहोस् कि म के गर्न चाहन्छु त। This is the most critical time of your lives. This is in fact more critical than choosing the partner who is going to be journeying with you through life. Because trust me, 31 वर्ष ब्याङ्किङमा 17 वर्ष CEO भएर आज अनिल शाहले आफ्नो जिन्दगी हेर्छ भन्दाखेरि I love my wife, I think of the moment spent with her, I love my daughter. I love my daughter, I think of the moments I spent with her. तर यसो हेर्दाखेरि 31 वर्षमा समय सुत्ने समय निकाल्यो भनेदेखि the most time that I spent was the time in the bank. आज मलाई कोहीले पनि चिनाउँदाखेरि भिरकोटे राजाको नाति बिन्देश्वरी शाह, डाक्टर नारायण केसी शाहको छोरा, यसको श्रीमान, यसको बाउ भनेर चिनाउँदैन, अनिल शाह ब्याङ्कर भनेर चिनाउँछ। किनभने यो मेरो जागिर मात्र हैन, मेरो पहिचान भइसकेको छ। It has become my identity and that is what is going to happen to the career that you choose. The path that you walk on is not only पेट पाल्ने एउटा माध्यम, but आफ्नो अस्तित्व, आफ्नो जुन चाहिँ legacy पठाउनु हुन्छ, it is all about that. So be very, very careful about what you choose. Listen to everybody, from your parents to your gurus to your mentors to all the people who will talk today, but then look inside you and say, मैले के गर्दाखेरि म खुसी हुन्छु त? What do I have to do to be happy? Because trust me, nobody likes doing anything that they are not happy doing. We all like to do what we are happy doing. I share my happiness formula all the time. अस्ति गुरुजीसँग पनि त्यही कुरा भएको थियो, जहाँ पनि म त्यही भन्छु, खुसी हुनलाई 5 वटा तत्त्व चाहिन्छ। First, family and friends. Some of you are very happy spending time with family and friends, some of you don't. You are happy with something else. The second ingredient of happiness. Paiso, hey, paiso. Yeah, there you go. So many of us, जति पैसा कमाए त्यति खुसी हुन्छौँ। दिनभरि पैसा कमाउँछौँ, रातभरि पैसा, त्यही कमाएको पैसाको सपना देख्छौँ। तर कतिजनाले मलाई सोध्छ, दाइ पैसा र खुसीमा के सम्बन्ध? पैसा त पापी पेट पाल्ने माध्यम हैन, पैसाले अवसर दिन्छ, हार्ट अट्याक दिन्छ, खुसी कहाँ दिन्छ? How much money and economic wealth is required to make you happy? Third is swastham, to be healthy, physically, emotionally, psychologically healthy. There are a lot of people I know who will go to the gym, who will meditate, who know exactly what to eat, what not. But many people of your age tell me, दाइको उमेर भएपछि हामी हेल्थको विचार गरौँला दाइ, अहिले त ढुङ्गा पनि बजाइदिन्छौँ दाइ, अहिले त हेल्थ हैन दाइ, सिर्फ यो वेल्थ दाइ भनेर भन्छ। How important is health? The fourth one is power, status and authority. Power, status and authority. Some of us it is very important. If I go to a BBA, MBA institution, BBS, MBS institution, and I have an audience in front of me and I hear them whisper, हैन यो जुनिएको हो, there will be a problem. If विशेषज्ञ क्या हो अनिल शाहलाई भनेर। But I know so many people I have worked with who work very hard, who said, दाइ हामी काम गर्छौँ, काममा कोट हुँदैन, अरूभन्दा राम्रो काम गर्छौँ, तर यो साइफाइ ठाई हामी गर्न चाहदैनौँ है। For them, power, status and authority is really most important. What about for you? And the fifth is greater good in God. And you have both examples today who will be talking to you. Greater good Anuradhaji, who in her own life, I know the pida she is going through, but she is always, always working for those who need her help. And then God. We have someone who I look to always give me the path towards God as well. How important is greater good in God? Your पाँचवटा तत्त्व छ, family and friends, economic wealth, health, power status, greater good in God. एउटा कागजमा आज लेख्नुस् या आफ्नो फोनमा यो पाँचवटा ingredient लेख्नुस्, माथि 100 लेख्नुस्, and in terms of how important it is to you, how important it is to you, divide that 100. ए पैसैले सबै खुसी बनाउँछ भने हाल्नुस् न 70 पैसैमा, but then you only have 30 for the rest. If greater good and God makes you happy, put 50-60 there. But once you get your unique happiness formula, then you will know मैले के गरेँ भने म खुसी हुन्छु. पैसाले यहाँलाई खुसी नै दिनु हुँदैन भनेदेखि बिजनेस सुरु गर्ने ब्याङ्कमा जागिर खाएर केही हुनेवाला छैन. ठुलो डेजिग्नेसन आउला, बोनस आउला, पैसा कमाइएला, तर जिन्दगी खोक्रो हुन्छ. So in an event like this, what you need to do is listen to everybody to find out what do I need to do to be happy. And then once you know, मलाई त यही चाहिने रहेछ है, मेरो happiness formula मा त पैसा, health, कुनै के हो, whatever it is, यसले नै गर्ने रहेछ, then again look inside you to see त्यो happiness formula लाई प्राप्त गर्नलाई मैले के गर्नुपर्छ, त्यो खुशी मैले प्राप्त गर्नलाई के गर्नुपर्छ, त्यो गुगलले भन्दैन, बाहिर संसारले भन्दैन, भित्र झाकेर हेर्नुस्, आफ्नो core competencies के हो, what are your strengths. Paras Kharga most probably can play any game better than us, but he says cricket. Gaurika sings swimming. Savitri Bhandari Samba plays football. Just like that, you need to find out what is it that you are good at doing. I have talked to not lakhs but tens of lakhs of Nepali youth होला. र कलेजमा गएर हैन कुरा गरिसकेपछि एउटा सबैजनाको इच्छा हुन्छ यो जुङ्गेसँग एउटा सेल्फी खिचौँ न भनेर. अनि सेल्फी खिचिसकेपछि चाहिँ मैले जहिले पनि सोच्छु अनि what is your favorite subject? Until date, I have not met somebody say, Baini, who I asked, Baini, and your favorite subject here when the head will die, your favorite subject? Yes, Baini, what is your favorite subject? Till today, no Baini has told me, Dai, my favorite subject is mathematics, Dai, I love mathematics. I said, very good, we need women in STEM. Accounts, science, engineers, doctors, wonderful Baini. Yes, Dai, I love mathematics. It is my favorite, Dai, I love mathematics. I said, very good, Dai, Baini, keep it up. He said, Tora, euta kura cha, Dai. Okay, Baini, I love mathematics, Dai, Tora, ke garnu? I cannot pass that. I fail all the time. If you are failing mathematics, you hate math from the core of your heart. To math पढाउने सर त त्यो त यमराजै भइहाल्यो. अनि त्यो mathको classroom त नर्कै भइहाल्यो. But someone who is good at math, that same sir is Bhagwan, that classroom is Swarga. It is not that the person who does not know math is dumb and the one who knows math is clever. Because the next class is English. And जसलाई चाहिँ म्याथ आउँथ्यो उ त कालो अक्षर भैँसी बराबर लुकिरहेछ, जसलाई म्याथ आउँदैन थियो उ त फरारा टकिङ इङ्ग्लिस वकिङ इङ्ग्लिस भइरहेको छ. So you need to find out what you are good at doing, what is your core competency, and you dovetail that in with your happiness formula. And that is the bus you need to get on, my brothers and sisters. That is the bus you need to get on. Because if you want to go to Pokhara and you are standing in the bus station, Pokhara जाने फेवातालमा लेक गर्ने प्याराग्लाइडिङ गर्ने and all your friends come along. They say कहाँ जानला? म त पोखरा जानला. किन पोखरा जाने? कति जान्छस् पोखरा? हामी त भैरवा जानला. What place of Buddha? Buddha is born in Nepal. Oh yes. लैलैमा लागेर भैरवाको बसमा चढियो. यात्रा राम्रो भयो. No traffic jam, no घाइटाइ घुल्टुङ. कति घण्टामा भैरवा पुग्यो. सबैजना भैरवा नै आउँथ्यो. मायादेवी टेम्पल जाऊँ भनेर लाग्यो. अनि आफू चाहिँ घुमिरहेछ बस स्टेसनमा अनि आएर के भयो भाइ? Where do you want to go? हैन दाइ यो फेवातालको बाटो कहाँ? Because you wanted to go to Fewatal. That is a short bus journey. Just imagine if your life journey is like that. And 20 years down the line you realize, hey, के गरेँ मैले मेरो जिन्दगीसँग? मलाई त यो चाहिन्थ्यो खुसी हुनलाई. मैले मेरो पुरा जिन्दगी यो प्राप्त गर्नमा लगाइदिएँ. So please don't do that. From today, if you walk away with only this thought that this is my life. This is what I'm good at doing. This is what gives me happiness. This is what I'm going to do going forward. So saying that, सबैले भन्छ देशको भविष्य युवा हो भनेर. That is a lie. That is a lie people like me tell you. The future is yours. Be ready. Be prepared. Be prepared for tomorrow. Tomorrow you have to hako the samstha, the samaj, the desh. And हामी मुसु हाँस्छौँ, you all get excited. Oh, नाइ हामी तयार छौँ भविष्यको लागि. Have you heard? Tomorrow never comes. हामी तपाईलाई त्यही भन्दै गर्छौँ तपाई 70 वर्षको हुन्छ म कति वर्षको हुँदा पर्खिनुहोस् भोलि तपाईको हो भनेर. No. My brothers and sisters, the youth of Nepal, भविष्य यहाँको हैन. वर्तमान यहाँको हो, वर्तमान. Today is yours. Seize the day, carpe diem. It is today that you got to seize and you got to move forward. Look at the people who are here. Look at the people in IT. Look at the people in tourism. Look at the people starting businesses. They're not my age. They're not even, the generation below me. It is all your generation and a few years older than you. नेपालमा परिवर्तन ल्याउने हो भनेदेखि मतिर हेरेर यसले त गर्ला भनेर नहेर्नुस्. किनभने म एकजना छु भने मैले यहाँको सयौं हजारौंलाई हेरिरहेको छु. नेपालको भविष्य यहाँको हातमा छ. नेपालको वर्तमान पनि यहाँको हातमा छ. Be ready for that. So I end with a story. I want to end with a story to show you why I believe it is so important that you look at your own core competencies. When I got married, me and my wife decided, let's wait some years before we have a child. Not that Nepal, 9 months after marriage, everyone so happy, khushi ekdam. We thought, no, let us enjoy being married. So the first year after marriage, अधिकांश जस्तो हामी पनि दसैँको टिका थाप्नु घर घर जान्छौँ. मेरो हजुरबुवा पर्ने एकजना, not हजुरबुवाको जेनेरेसनको एकजनाको घरमा गयौँ. बुवा, म and my wife. बुवालाई टिका, मलाई टिका अनि मैले भने हजुर दर्शन हजुर. ल हजुरलाई बधाई छ, हजुरको नातिनी बुहारी पनि टिका हजुरको आशीर्वादले आएको छ. Oh, he was so happy. बुढी अनिलको नाति आओ. Second year, third year टिका, and he started to look around. And I said, हजुर के खोजी भएको छ हजुरले? हैन तेरो सन्तान खै? Because his आशीर्वाद always used to be, for some reason or the other, डाँडा काँडा ढाको सन्तान. डाँडा काँडा ढाक्ने एउटा त छैन. So by the fourth year he had given up. He was throwing the tika on my head because he thought this guy is useless. So we thought, let's have a child. It's enough is enough. So we decided. We both always wanted one child, and secretly I wanted always that one child to be a baby girl. God is great. I was blessed. We were blessed with a healthy baby daughter. I was the happiest father under the sun. छोरी धेरै सानो थियो. दसैँ आउँदाखेरि छोरीलाई घरमा राखेर हामी गयौँ दसैँ टिका थाप्न. उहाँको घरभित्र जाँदाखेरि मैले बुवालाई भने, बुढोले जहिले सन्तान भन्थ्यो, यो वर्ष त भन्छु भनेर बुवा मुसु हाँसिबक्स्यो. We went, बुवालाई टिका अनि मेरो टाउमा टिका फाला ल्याइबक्सेको थियो. अनि मैले हजुर एकछिन भने के ल हजुरलाई बधाई छ अनि लोक किन केको बधाई? हजुरको आशीर्वादले गरेर हजुर मेरो सन्तान भयो नि सन्तान. You should have seen how happy the old man became. Oh, big smile, happy. Every santan, power is back in my आशीर्वाद. निधार भरि टिका लगाइदिबक्स्यो अनि त्यसपछि ल अनिल बधाई छ तँलाई. बधाई छ सन्तान भएकोमा. Then he looked me straight in the eye and he said, ल बधाई छ. तेरो त छोरा भयो नि. तेरो त छोरा भयो होला नि. I was so happy. I said, हैन हजुर हैन, मेरो छोरा हैन हजुर, मेरो छोरी भयो, मेरो छोरी. त्यो सुन्ने बित्तिकै उहाँको मुस्कुराहट पनि हरायो, उहाँको छाती पनि सानो भयो. उहाँले उहाँको श्रीमतीतिर हेरेर तेरो छोरी भयो भन्थ्यो. उहाँको मेरो छोरीको जन्ममा निराशापन देखेर मलाई रिस उठ्नु सुरु भयो. मेरो कान लातो हुन लाग्यो, निधारमा पसिना आउन लाग्यो. बुवाले भुइँतिर हेरेर अनिलले बुढाको बङ्गला झार्ने भयो भनेर विचार गर्न लागेको छु. उहाँले पनि मेरो रिस देख्यो मुखमा. अब केही त भन्नु पर्यो, छिटो रिसाइसक्यो भनेपछि फेरि मलाई धापी बक्स्यो. आँखामा आँखा राखेर उहाँले मर्जी भयो. चिन्ता नगर अनिल, चिन्ता नगर अनिल, तेरो छोरी त छोरा जस्तै हुन्छ नि. चिन्ता नगर, तेरो छोरी त छोरा जस्तै हुन्छ नि. म पनि त्यसै अनिल साथ भएन नि. हात जोडेर आँखामा आँखा राखेर भने हजुर रिसानी माफ, एउटा कुरा बिन्ती टक्राउँ. रिसानी माफ, एउटा कुरा बिन्ती टक्राउँ. He looked at me and said, "Bhan." And looking him straight in the eye, I said, "Hazur, जस्तो मलाई मेरो नेपाल, सिङ्गापुर र स्विजरल्यान्ड हैन, जतिसक्दो राम्रो नेपाल चाहिएको छ, त्यस्तै हजुर मलाई मेरो छोरा जस्तो हैन, जतिसक्दो राम्रो छोरी चाहिएको छ." Exactly, brothers and sisters, exactly. That is what we want from each of you. Be the best version of you. Don't be like somebody else. Don't try to be a copy. Be the original. Original piece हो हामी, each and every one of us. Be the original piece. Now I want छातीमा यसो गरेर भगवान सम्झेर I want to know the truth. Visa लाग्यो भनेदेखि how many of you want to go abroad? हात उठाइदिनुहोस् न. Visa लाग्यो भनेदेखि माथि पनि तल पनि. You may think I am going to say हैन भाइ बहिनीहरू देश नछोड्नुहोस्. म यो कहिले पनि भन्दिनँ. म कसरी भन्ने, मेरै छोरी विदेशमा छ भनेदेखि कसरी भन्ने. तर म एउटा कुरा चाहिँ भन्छु. विदेश जानुभन्दा अगाडि देशको लागि एउटा मौका चाहिँ दिनु होला. भएन भनेदेखि त विदेश त सधैँ छ नि जहिले पनि. So saying that, मलाई मेरो नेपालमा केही अरू चिन्ता छैन. उज्यालो छ हाम्रो भविष्य. तर जुन दिन जस्तै आज जब हाम्रो युवाले उहाँहरूको भविष्य, यहाँहरूले आफ्नो भविष्य हाम्रो नेपालमा देख्नु हुँदैन, त्यो बेला चाहिँ अनि हाम्रो देशको भविष्य अलिकति अँध्यारो हुन सुरु गर्छ. So think about it for a while. I request you all to take out your phone, put on your light, so that we can all see how bright we can make the future of this country. Please open the light of your phone. Let's see. Come on, everybody. Everybody has a phone. Let's see those lights. All right. Mathi pani, come on. Let's see some more lights. नेपालको भविष्य उज्जवल छ किनभने यहाँहरूको भविष्य उज्जवल छ नेपालमा Thank you very much. Have a phenomenal day of learning. Thank you everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody. Thank you. One more.
धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद आदरणीय सर अनिल केसरी शाह हजुरको यो जोश हजुर